Alright, I'm going to show you how to remove the broken door clip for the battery. This is for the big battery. The clip broke off like 2 weeks ago. I'm going to show you how to remove it from the on the SDS100. The only way you get a new clip is you have to call Uniden because they don't sell it online. Of course, my radio is not warranted, so you're gonna, if you have a warranty radio, they probably just have you send it in since it's warranted. This is an easy fix. What you can do is you take a couple of screws off. You don't have to take them all the way out. There's a screw here, here, and here. There's only 4. You don't have to take them all the way out. Just loosen them up. When you do, the radio will come undone halfway like this. Just take the old clip, kind of like wiggle it around, and it should come out. You got to be careful because you got a little cylinder here. Here's the broken one. You put that on the side. Put the new one. It's going to be tricky to try to get the back in. So you want to have enough space again. It's kind of like try to put it in the same way. So that was easy. This is the new clip now. So I'm going to tighten the screws down. You don't need to tighten them all the way down, just enough where it stops. And probably put a little bit more on it, but you don't want it too tight. When you take the battery, or if you take the screws off, loosen them, I meant, do the top ones first, then do the bottoms. When you put the clip on, now I do the bottoms, then the top. Then we're going to go ahead and put the battery in. Now, since it's going to be tight, I've been doing this for a while when I first got the replacement for the big door, is I kind of like hold pressure between real hard and it just snaps in. When I tried it earlier, it was kind of hard, so even with the pressure down, it's kind of hard, so maybe after a while it's probably going to break off again. So turn the radio on just to test it, and that's it. That should be an easy fix. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.